Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to explain how to transfer a phone number from one company to another. So let's say you guys are getting a better deal with one company versus another. All you have to do is never cancel with the current company that you have. That's the very first thing you guys have to do. Do not cancel your plan. The company that you're going to hire, that's the one that's going to actually contact your service provider and cancel it for you. That's if you want to have the exact same phone number on your new company. So the new company that you just hired, for example, these are just multiple SIM cards that I have lying around. They might send you something like this. And these trays actually have several adapters. And that's because depending on your phone, you might use a bigger one or a smaller one. Nowadays, most phones take up the smallest SIM card. However, there are older phones in different models that take up a slightly bigger one. So you can just put in that adapter in order to insert it to your phone. Now, as soon as your new company gives you a SIM card with a new phone number, you do have to activate that. So make sure to put that SIM card inside your phone. So right now, let's say this SIM card, they gave me this SIM card, I'm gonna put it inside this phone. So let's say we place that SIM card right here and we just put it inside that phone. So we activate that phone number, that's a new phone number. Then we have to contact the company itself and tell them that you wanna port over your phone number that you had from this phone. Now, whether you guys got another phone or not, maybe it's the same phone, it's the same thing. You guys have to put in that SIM card, that new SIM card inside and activate it. Once it's activated, then contact the company and tell them that you want to port over your old phone number. In order to port in your old phone number, you have to have the account number plus the phone number. And again, also make sure not to cancel that plan just yet. Then what the new company that you hired, what they're gonna do is actually do everything for you. And at this time, since you activated your old phone number, this will get kind of confusing, I know, because you have to put in your old SIM card back in there. So you have to take out the new SIM card out and just put your old SIM card back into that phone or into the new phone, regardless. Now, the reason why we're putting the old SIM card back from your old provider is because the new company that you're hiring is actually going to send you out a text message to this current phone or whichever phone has that SIM card. It's gonna be a text message, and that text message will say something like, do you want to port over this phone number? And you have to reply with yes. Once you do so, you can just leave that old SIM card in. And that's because you're gonna have to wait until you actually have no more signal and no more service from your current service provider. Usually with cell phones, that's about 2 hours. Once you see that you have no more service, then you take out that SIM card. So just take it out from your phone and you put in the new SIM card that was sent to you, or you got it from the provider that you just hired, that you're changing to. So you're gonna put that SIM card inside your phone. And right now, although you had another phone number attached to that SIM card, it actually automatically changes to be the phone number that you had from before. So you can keep your old phone number. You do not need another SIM card apart from the one that they gave you already. And that's about it. That's all you had to do. Again, the process is about 2 hours. However, if you're doing a landline, for example, not a cell phone, then it might take 2 days or so. Anyways, hopefully this video did not confuse you. It made sense, or at least you got a glance at what you have to do. Apart from that, you always have to contact your new service provider, and they will actually tell you the steps that I just told you. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.